held you to hold me and heal my heart, to guide me and keep me from falling apart.
Love is perfect, but lovers are not.
So hurtful and cold.
It's been, what, 5, 6 years?
Of nowhere to go.
Meron na akong anak. May sakit siya. Kailangan niya ng tulong ng tatay niya.
How can something so right seem wrong?
Kung magkakaroon ng kapatid si Bocho, sa kanya natin kukunin ng bone marrow. You have 2 options. One is in vitro fertilization.
Paano kung hindi mag-work ang in vitro?
That leads us to the second option, the natural way.
How can something so wrong seem right?
Huwag mo sanang isipin na nanggugulo ko sa inyo kasi kailangan ko lang kasi talaga yung tulong nyo ngayon eh.
Hindi. Hindi ka makakagulo. Kung ang kukunin mo lang naman ay yung kailangan mo.
Love knows no right or wrong.
What I find totally unbelievable is you're actually considering this.
How can you even say no to a mother with a dying child? At sa asawa mo na noon pa lang gustong-gusto na magkaroon ng anak pero hindi ko yun mabigay sa kanya.
Baka mamaya yung batang bubuhayin mo ay mismong papatay dyan sa pamilya mo.
But lovers know love has consequences.
Without you, I know I'm all alone. I can't go on this way, day by day.
This is a unique love story of selflessness and sacrifice, starring Angelica Panganiban, Ding Dong Dantes, Sandro Marudo, and Angel Locsin.
Minahal mo ba talaga ako? O ginawa mo lang ako palaking butas?
Mahal kita. Pero mas mahal ko ang anak ko.
Bakit pakiramdam ko kaya hindi ka kumukontra dahil gusto mo rin naman ito mangyari?
Gusto ko. Tingin mo gusto ko? Tumigil ka. Tumigil ka.
Shut up!
Ang pera natin, hindi basta-basta mauubos. Pero ang pasensya ko, konting-konti na lang!
True love is selfless. True love is worth one more try.
Kahit isang gabi lang. Pahiram ng asawa mo.
A film by Ruel Santos Bayani.